Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday. Another day, another hope, another brand new day. Let us all make this Tuesday a very beautiful day, wonderful day, and even brighter and happier. Good morning, everyone. This is your host, Miss Jamie Bollian Toronto. I hope you're enjoying the live. Uh, I don't have so much visitor today because I started late, diba? I just have this pangit dog, but I love my dog. Even though he is a native dog, I love my dog so much. That's why I feed him all the tasty food in the house is being given to this beautiful dog. See my dog is a beautiful dog. He pretends to be the chief security dog, but look, he has a cat because he went out there in the neighborhood to 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 find his happiness, to find his forever. But then he encountered ad, uh, fighting. That's why he has so many bruises. My dog. This is my dog. Hmm. My chief security dog. Yan na naman ang aking doggy. Nagmamagaling na naman ang aking doggy. Because my doggy pretends to be the security dog. That's why he is justifying